Welcome back. Now that your medical files are sorted in your care records, let's explore our final main tab, the Support Circle. This is your safe space to connect, learn, and find comfort. Tap on Community to enter our peer support network. Here, you can scroll through questions and experiences shared by others. Feel free to like a post. Tap the share icon to send helpful info to a loved one, or leave a supportive comment to join the conversation. Have a question or want to share your own story? Just tap the plus icon at the top right, type your thoughts, and tap Post. You even have a toggle to post anonymously if you prefer privacy. Next, let's look at Helpful Reads. This is our library of expert-backed advice blogs. Simply browse the topics and tap on any article to read insightful tips on nutrition, mental health, and daily wellness. Finally, tap into Care videos for visual learning. You can explore full-length clinical guidance videos, or dive into our Care shorts for quick, bite-sized tips from doctors. Just swipe up to watch. And feel free to comment. Or share directly from the video. From organizing your medical records to finding a community that truly understands, OncoBuddy is here for you every step of the way. You are never alone. Welcome to the OncoBuddy family.